What if the future of luxury isn't louder? What if the most impressive vehicle in the room is the one that never asks for attention? For decades, premium SUVs competed by becoming bigger, faster, and more extravagant. More chrome, more horsepower, more features, more ways to remind everyone how expensive they were. But something has changed. Today's luxury buyers are beginning to value something entirely different: calm, comfort, and the feeling of arriving more relaxed than when the journey began. That shift is exactly why the Lincoln Navigator Premiere matters, because this isn't simply a full-size luxury SUV. It's Lincoln's vision of what modern American luxury should feel like in a world where technology is everywhere and genuine peace has become increasingly difficult to find. Before we go any further, if you enjoy automotive stories that explore why certain vehicles shape the future instead of simply reviewing them, consider subscribing to the channel. We look beyond the specifications to uncover the ideas, engineering, and changing philosophies driving tomorrow's automotive world. Now let's discover why the Lincoln Navigator Premiere may represent far more than another luxury SUV. Luxury SUVs had become one of the most competitive segments in the automotive industry. Every manufacturer wants to build the ultimate flagship. The Cadillac Escalade continues pushing technology, the BMW X7 emphasizes performance, the Mercedes-Benz GLS blends comfort with engineering precision, the Lexus LX focuses on long-term reliability, the Range Rover remains an icon of prestige. Each approaches luxury differently. Lincoln has chosen a different path. Instead of chasing the highest horsepower or the biggest touchscreen, the company has built its modern identity around something much harder to engineer: serenity. That idea influences everything from interior materials to suspension tuning, sound insulation, seating comfort, and even the way digital technology interacts with the driver. It's a philosophy that feels increasingly relevant. Modern life is noisy. People spend hours surrounded by notifications, traffic, deadlines, and constant distractions. Luxury buyers aren't simply purchasing transportation anymore. They're buying an escape. That's exactly where the Navigator Premiere enters the conversation. Rather than trying to overwhelm its occupants with complexity, it creates an environment that feels calm, welcoming, and effortlessly sophisticated. And in today's market, that may become one of the most valuable luxury features of all. The Navigator Premiere doesn't rely on dramatic styling to announce its presence. It doesn't have to. Its proportions already command attention, but Lincoln has refined them in a way that feels confident rather than aggressive. A bold illuminated grille, slimmer LED lighting, cleaner body lines, and carefully sculpted surfaces give the Navigator a modern appearance without chasing short-lived design trends. It looks substantial, elegant, timeless. That's an important distinction. Many luxury SUVs today are designed to stand out in a crowded parking lot. The Navigator is designed to make its owner feel comfortable every time they approach it. That philosophy continues inside. Open the door and the atmosphere changes immediately. Instead of overwhelming occupants with buttons and complicated controls, Lincoln has created an interior that feels open, calming, and beautifully organized. A panoramic digital display stretches across the dashboard, bringing together vehicle information, navigation, entertainment, and connected services in a way that feels intuitive rather than distracting. The interface responds quickly, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, receives over-the-air software updates, and allows drivers to personalize the experience without navigating endless menus. Yet technology isn't the centerpiece. People are. The seats have been engineered with long-distance comfort as the priority, offering available heating, ventilation, and massage functions that transform hours behind the wheel into something remarkably relaxing. Premium leather surfaces, genuine wood accents, carefully selected metallic finishes, and subtle ambient lighting create an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Passengers benefit just as much as the driver. The second row offers generous space for adults, while the third row remains genuinely comfortable instead of feeling like an occasional backup seat. Whether transporting family members, business clients, or friends on a weekend getaway, everyone enjoys the same sense of refinement. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed in a pursuit of luxury either. Power folding seats, expansive cargo space, flexible storage solutions, and a thoughtfully designed cabin make the Navigator just as useful during everyday life as it is during special occasions. It can comfortably handle airport runs, family vacations, shopping trips, or cross-country journeys without ever feeling compromised. One detail that perfectly reflects Lincoln's philosophy is how quietly everything works. Doors close with reassuring precision, controls operate smoothly, the cabin remains remarkably isolated from outside noise. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing demands attention. That quiet confidence is intentional. Because Lincoln understands something many luxury brands are only beginning to recognize. True luxury isn't about showing passengers how much technology you have. It's about making them forget the outside world exists for a while. And that's exactly what the Navigator Premiere does exceptionally well. Luxury has never been about reaching 60 miles per hour a fraction of a second faster. It's about how effortlessly you reach your destination. Under the hood sits Lincoln's proven 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing approximately 440 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, the Powertrain delivers smooth, confident acceleration that feels remarkably relaxed for a vehicle of this size. The numbers are certainly impressive, but they don't fully explain the experience. The real achievement is how little effort the Navigator seems to require. Whether merging onto a busy highway, passing slower traffic, or climbing steep grades with a full cabin of passengers, the engine rarely feels strained. The abundant low-end torque arrives early, allowing the SUV to accelerate with quiet confidence instead of dramatic bursts of power. That sense of ease defines the entire driving experience. Lincoln has invested heavily in refinement rather than outright aggression. Available adaptive suspension continuously monitors road conditions, adjusting damping hundreds of times every second to keep the cabin composed over broken pavement. Combined with carefully engineered sound insulation and active noise control, the result is a driving experience that feels almost isolated from the outside world. Even long highway journeys become noticeably less tiring. Instead of constantly correcting steering inputs or reacting to harsh road imperfections, the driver simply settles into the journey. That's exactly what luxury buyers increasingly want. The Navigator also remains one of the most capable vehicles in its segment. Properly equipped, it can tow up to approximately 8,700 pounds, making it just as comfortable pulling a large boat or travel trailer as it is transporting the family across town. Advanced trailer assistance systems, multiple camera views, and intelligent towing technologies help remove much of the stress traditionally associated with hauling heavy loads. That versatility continues to separate full-size luxury SUVs from many premium crossovers. The Navigator isn't simply luxurious, it's genuinely useful. Fuel autonomy has also benefited from Ford and Lincoln's EcoBoost technology. While no vehicle of this size can ignore the realities of physics, the twin-turbocharged V6 delivers noticeably better efficiency than the naturally aspirated V8 engines that once defined the segment, offering a better balance between performance and everyday operating costs. Looking toward the future, however, one question continues to grow: electrification. Many competitors are introducing hybrid systems or preparing fully electric replacements. Industry analysts expect Lincoln to eventually expand electrified powertrains throughout its flagship lineup as emission standards become increasingly demanding. But the transition won't happen overnight. Navigator buyers often tow heavy loads, travel long distances, and expect the convenience of quick refueling wherever their journey takes them. For many of those customers, today's twin-turbocharged gasoline engine still provides the flexibility they rely on. That places the Navigator Premiere in an interesting position. It embraces modern engineering, advanced refinement, and intelligent technology while preserving the effortless capability that has defined premium American SUVs for decades. Luxury SUVs have become more expensive than ever, not because buyers simply expect premium materials, because they expect one vehicle to do everything: carry an entire family in complete comfort, tow a large boat or trailer, travel across the country with effortless confidence, and deliver the technology of a luxury sedan. That's exactly where the Lincoln Navigator Premiere positions itself. In the United States, The current Lincoln Navigator Premiere starts at approximately $89,095, while the longer wheelbase Navigator Premiere L begins around $92,095. Well-equipped models with additional options can easily move beyond the $100,000 mark. Looking ahead, if Lincoln introduces a refreshed or updated 2027 Navigator Premiere, industry estimates suggest pricing could begin between $93,000 and $96,000, while highly optioned models may approach $105,000. That places it directly against some of the most respected luxury SUVs in America: the Cadillac Escalade, the Mercedes-Benz GLS, the BMW X7, the Lexus LX, and the Range Rover. Each approaches luxury from a different perspective. Some focus on performance, others emphasize heritage or off-road capability. As for availability, Lincoln has not officially announced a dedicated 2027 Navigator Premiere. Based on the current product cycle, industry analysts expect any major update or next evolution to arrive sometime during late 2026 or early 2027, if introduced as a 2027 model. Until then, the current generation continues serving as Lincoln's flagship full-size luxury SUV. Luxury isn't just about how comfortable a vehicle feels, it's about how confidently it protects the people inside. For today's families, safety has become just as important as performance, technology, or premium materials. A flagship SUV isn't expected to react after something goes wrong. It is expected to help prevent problems before they happen. That's exactly the philosophy behind the Navigator Premiere. Lincoln equips the Navigator with its latest collection of intelligent driver assistance technologies, all designed to work quietly in the background, rather than constantly demanding a driver's attention. Available Lincoln Blue Cruise allows hands-free driving on thousands of miles of compatible highways across North America, reducing fatigue during long road trips, while keeping the driver engaged and ready to take control when necessary. Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go automatically maintains a safe following distance in changing traffic conditions, while lane centering helps the Navigator remain confidently positioned on the highway. Together, these systems make long-distance travel noticeably less stressful. Around town, features such as blind spot information system, cross-traffic alert, intersection assist, reverse brake assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking constantly monitor the vehicle's surroundings, helping drivers recognize potential hazards that might otherwise go unnoticed. A 360-degree camera system provides a clear view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering a full-size luxury SUV far easier than its dimensions might suggest. For families towing boats or travel trailers, available trailer guidance systems add another layer of confidence when reversing or navigating tight spaces. Perhaps the most impressive part isn't any single feature. It's how naturally everything works together. The technology rarely feels intrusive. Instead, it quietly supports the driver, stepping in only when needed, while allowing the journey to remain calm and enjoyable. That perfectly reflects Lincoln's definition of modern luxury. Technology shouldn't overwhelm you. It should give you greater confidence without asking for constant attention. Because for families investing in a premium SUV, true peace of mind comes from knowing the vehicle is working just as hard to protect everyone inside as it is to keep them comfortable. The Lincoln Navigator Premiere isn't trying to redefine luxury through bigger screens or louder styling. It's redefining luxury through experience. In an automotive world obsessed with horsepower, acceleration times, and endless digital features, Lincoln has chosen a different direction. It has built a vehicle that prioritizes comfort over complexity, confidence over drama, and serenity over spectacle. That philosophy makes the Navigator feel remarkably different from many of its rivals. It isn't designed to impress people standing outside the vehicle. It's designed to reward the people sitting inside it. As the luxury SUV market continues evolving toward electrification and increasingly intelligent technology, that focus on effortless travel may become Lincoln's greatest advantage. Because the future of luxury may not belong to the vehicle that does the most, it may belong to the one that makes every journey feel the least stressful. And that's exactly what the Navigator Premiere sets out to achieve. So what do you think? Has Lincoln found the perfect balance between traditional American luxury and modern innovation? Or do competitors like the Cadillac Escalade, BMW X7, and Mercedes-Benz GLS still have the upper hand? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy automotive stories that explore where the industry is heading, not just what new vehicles can do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more cinematic journeys into the future of the automotive world. Thanks for watching.